welcome back to the channel. I'm John and we're going to Point of Rocks today. Woohoo! That ought to be fun. Normally I go straight to go to Frederick, but today we're going to hang a left and go out this way on 28 continued, and it will take us all the way to Point of Rocks, and I'm going to show you a train station because I like trains and you know, it's fun. At least I think it's fun. Biker. Yeah, buddy. That looks like a Dyna or a wide body. Anyway, this back road is mostly straight, but it's got some nice curves to it, and I guess the wind's picking up. But it's a warm spring day. It's about 75 degrees and sunny, and I'm feeling good. Hey, train tracks. All right, we must be getting close. We are on 28 West in central-ish Maryland, northwest of Washington, D.C. And yes, there's train tracks because Point of Rocks is a train station. I think it was put up in the 1870s, and I'll throw some information cards up now. But the MARC train comes up here, and I happen to love trains. I've only been on one, and it was in Alaska. And my wife signed us up for this train from Anchorage to somewhere, I forget where, but it was really cool. We got to see like mountain goats and all sorts of stuff. And we went on a glacier tour, I think the same day, and that was fun. We got on a boat and they made glacieritas, and yeah, it was a blast. That trip to Alaska was a trip, because it was 75 and sunny the week before, and then it was, I think that's where we wanted to go in. Yep. Ruh-roh. Maybe we can go in, no, we can go in up here. Or not. I'm not lost, I just went in the wrong spot, that's all. All right, let's pull over. We'll do a U-turn, wood in the road. Okay, so anyway, like I was saying, I got distracted by my own storytelling. So anyway, we were in Alaska. It was 75 and sunny the week before we were there, and it was 75 or 80, and they opened up cooling centers the week after we were there. But the week we were there, it was nothing but wind and rain and 45-degree temps the entire time. It was really wild. Did not expect that weather from Alaska. But that's what we get. Whenever we go on vacation, we always get the worst weather imaginable. And a bug just flew in my mouth. But that's the train track. The MARC train runs through here. And I like trains. So my wife got me on the train, and I'd never been on one, so she got the conductor to give me a pin because I rode the train like a 4-year-old. It was kind of awesome. I'm a real man-child when it comes to stuff. So yeah, we had a lot of fun in Alaska, but this is Point of Rocks, and it's a nice spot to take a lunch break. They've got the covered area over there, bathroom over here, and a train coming. How lucky are we? We get to see the train passing by. And that, folks, is the CSX train, which also runs through here. It's not limited to just the MARC train, but we're going to walk around a little bit, and then we're going to get back on the road and go home. So this is some sort of water conservation area. They have built-in cornhole And that deli across the street is really neat. I've been there before, it's awesome. Hey, look, a sidecar. There you go. Wonder what that is. That looks like a Royal Enfield. Not really sure. I'm really bad at this game, aren't I? Not a lot to see here, but they have a nice covered area that you can eat your lunch at, and bathrooms like I've mentioned before. I'm not going to show you the inside of the bathroom because that'd be gross. Yeah, that would just be gross. But they're nice, they are clean bathrooms. I'm just not going in there right now. I'm going to get back out on the bike and continue this trip. Say goodbye to Point of Rocks. Yeah, that was kind of a letdown, wasn't it? That was neither as scenic or as interesting as I thought it would be. So the 1/3 of you that are still watching probably just clicked off, and well, them's the breaks. And now I'm gonna go find some back roads to Toulon going home. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say. If I do, I'll chime back in. But I wanted to leave you with a couple of words of wisdom, and I've probably mentioned them on the channel before, but they bear repeating because there are some people out there who are suffering right now. And I don't like that, especially when it's my friends. So I want to share this with everybody in the hopes that it might brighten your day, and sort of as a thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. Two things. One, do something nice for yourself every day. Whatever it is, doing your hobby, or getting a treat or something. Not really retail therapy, and food is a bad way to treat yourself because it leads to wind, apparently. Anyway, the other thing, just find something that you want to do that's nice for you every day. The other thing is, remember, you have a 100% track record of making it through a bad day. So no matter how down in the dumps you may be, remember, all the bad days you've had before this one, guess what? You made it through those. So you can make it through today. You can do anything. Till I see you again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, keep the shiny side up. Ta-da!